Alright, welcome. We're going to turn on our battery, turn off our generators for the next one because we're going to do a cart start next time. Alright. Oh, you know what we're going to do first? We'll check our fuel. Let's turn this to VFR. We got 1550. Alright, 1550. Can we remember that? Probably not. Alright, I'm going to take out the little flight stream card, the 510. It's a 510. I'm going to put in my little SD card that has my data on it. Alright, now we're going to power back up. We will turn off, see it's continuing 9 seconds. Boom, we're going to force it to go. And we're going to turn off our speaker. Database, it's syncing 0 of 3. Let's see which ones it's doing. Chart view, IFR charts. And base map. I don't know why it's syncing that, but alright, but anyways. I thought that was current already. Syncing chart view. Alright. And watch, it says it's 6 minutes, but watch, it's skipping time. It's as it figures out that it's doing it quicker than what it estimates. So it doesn't take all that long. We get all that done, and then I'm going to show you guys. You're in for a little treat. I'm going to show you how I clean the relief tube. Exciting stuff. So, anyways, alright, so I may just stop this. We'll come back when it's done. Alright, we're back. Here's what it says. Database is ready. Activate databases on the ground start. And it'll flip the appropriate, like, chart view. It'll flip it to the newer version. Alright, so everything looks good. Alright, and the Kinect is blinking because I was looking at my phone. Database is expired. Restart to activate. So we know that. Alright, back. I'm going to turn off the battery. We're going to pull out my SD card. Put it over here by my storage thing. Put the Flight Stream 510 card back in. Alright, we kind of take our time. That way everything buffers down and all that jazz. And there has been times where I have to cycle the battery on and off a couple of times, but you really shouldn't according to the directions. So we'll see if it does it. Sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't. We'll see. So now we're going to go turn our speaker off, and then go back into databases. Database is ready. That's what we want to see. Oh, database is initialization. Database is ready. So it's all good. It's all white. If there was anything wrong, it would have been yellow up here, and you could have scrolled down to find which one is out of date or whatever. You know, in case you say you did all the updates and you forgot to do one. So we got all of them. Alright. Looks good. We're going to leave this on because I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I am going to go, whoop. Alright. I'm going to turn you off for a second. We're going to go get some supplies. Alright, here's what we're going to do. I got the power cart hooked up so I can leave power on. Get my little lights on, everything. Here's what we're going to do. I'm going to show you guys my little technique. I'm going to get a couple of nitro gloves. Alright, I'll get 2 of those. Get my little juice I made. And my Clorox wipes. Alright, that's all I need to do this. We are going to show you how to do the relief tube. It's not a pilot relief tube like in the Baron or a King Air. But it is a relief tube nonetheless, but it's in the back of the plane. So it's not for the pilot. Unless you're going to get up mid-flight and go in the back. Which I don't think you should do. Alright, I'm going to put this stuff right here for a second. Let's turn on our lights. Cabin lights on. Alright. Give us some nice ambiance while we clean the toilet. Well, I've already cleaned the toilet, actually. So we're going to go back here in the back. Alright. It's nice and quiet back here. This could be relaxing. Alright, let's turn on the light. Turn on the light. So here's our little potty area. Right, that's the potty right here. Ooh, let's flush that again. We'll wipe that down again too after it's all done. Alright, so that's that. I'm going to close the potty. Alright, here is our little toilet paper. And I got some wipes. I got a little, like a medicine cabinet type stuff. You know, like some aspirin, some Tylenol, whatever. Some Tums. Kind of like your bathroom medicine cabinet. But here is the relief tube. There's also a life jacket in here because this is a belted lav. So you could actually put someone here on this seat. But here is the relief tube. It just pops in. Let me get it out of there. Pull her on out. Come on. Alright. So it comes on out. Let me pull them on the coats. So there we have it. Alright. So we got all this hose, right? See this? Let me pull the screen to make sure I got you in focus. Here we go. And this is the little tube, and you just pee in there. And this little trigger, when the plane is pressurized, because the tube is on the outside, it's lower pressure. You squeeze it, the little valve, I can't see it without aiming a flashlight down in there, but there's a little valve at the bottom that opens up, and it just sucks it right out of the airplane. Works like a charm. But before you start using this thing, you need to squeeze it and make sure you hear it making that suction sound. Otherwise, if it's not working, it might be clogged, and you're going to end up filling this thing up. And you're going to have a mess on your hands. But here's what I'm going to do to clean it. Alright? So hold on a second. I'm going to put on my gloves just so I don't stain my hands. This is pretty clean already, but I just wanted to show you. And it doesn't hurt to freshen it. Yeah, I'm going to put my little gloves on. Especially since I'm going to be wiping the potty out one more time with the Clorox wipes. I like to wipe that stainless steel off so it doesn't have water spots and everything. Alright, so this is my little concoction of pine sol and water, basically. Alright, let me see if I can get my legs to hold this. Let's turn you guys. Alright, I'm hoping you guys can see. Let's aim it upward. Alright, so I'm just going to hold it up. I'm going to pour a little bit in without squeezing the trigger just to fill up the little cup. Alright. And I don't know if you guys can see. There it is. I'm going to hold it up so gravity, since I don't have suction. I'm going to squeeze it, let it go out. Right. I'll look down. Yep, it's all gone. It's all gone. And that's all there is to that. And then what I'm going to do, let's squeeze it right there. Put my little cap back on because I don't want to spill my juice. My little bug juice, whatever you want to call it, blue juice. It's not really blue juice, it's really pine sol. The lavender pine sol, I like the way that smells. So, keep it nice and fresh. And then I'm going to take a Clorox wipe. Oops. Golly, I'm not holding the camera good. I should have mounted this somewhere. Anyways, I'm going to take a Clorox wipe. I'm going to wipe her out real good. Alright. Alright, so that's that. And then to stow this, I'm going to show you guys. There's kind of a trick to it. There's not a lot of room, so I'm just going to shove this hose back in here. And as I'm doing it, I can kind of twist at the same time, so it kind of coils up. Well, that's what I'm trying to do anyways. Alright. Oh my goodness, I'm spilling a little bit. Alright, so we're going to push it all down. Push it all down. I might need two hands to do it. There we go, and as I'm twisting, there, it went in good. Alright, and there's that. Since I got my stuff, Clorox wipe stuff on there, I'm going to come back with my leather cleaner and wipe that. Alright, and that looks pretty good. Clean that rubber. That looks good. Alright. Clean that. Clean the bowl nice. Make it shiny. Looks good. Looks good. She's shiny. Alright. Close that. Grab our stuff. Grab our goodies. Grab our goodies. I'll come back with leather cleaner so that I don't like that Clorox white stuff staying on the leather seats. Leather. We're gonna clean that up. Set you guys down. And that's it for that. Thanks for watching. Alright, welcome back. I got the leather cleaner, this Townsend leather cleaner. This came with the plane, I believe. Or it came with this one or the other, the M2. I'm not sure. But what we're gonna do, we're gonna give her a squirt. I've already shaken this up. You gotta shake it up. It doesn't come out real good. This little pump thing. There we go. There goes a little. We just need to get a couple little blobs like that. And then I'm gonna just kind of rub it in real good with this microfiber towel. Get the leather. This not only cleans the leather, but it conditions it too. It doesn't, so it won't be cracking or anything. Alright, that's leather too. I'll get that. You'll wipe that too. Oh yeah, looks nice. Looks nice. Alright, I'm gonna turn off our light. Alright, so that's good. Give these seats a quick wipe. Give these seats a little dabble, do you? Come on. I don't know why this thing is so, doesn't want to pump out very good. Oh, yeah, I got some on my fingers, so that'll work. I'll take that, rub that in right there. Alright, looking good. Looking good, looking good. Oh, got a little something on this seat. Let's get that off. Come on. They shouldn't put it in a pump if it won't pump. Pump sprayer thing. Alright, but anyways, there's that, there's that. There's that. There's that one. Looking good, alright. There's all that, alright. That's it, we're gonna come in. I'm gonna turn our lights back off, cabin lights. Turn those off. Come in here and turn the battery off. We got all these cautions because we're in the hangar. It's saying the ADSB's not working, all that jazz. That's because we're in the hangar. Wipe off this thing. This is just like a little leather mat that covers up our cabinet, so it looks nice. Alright, thanks for watching.